Okay, looking at numbers 8 through 10. Make sure that you read directions on this because each of the problems is going to have different directions. Some of them you're going to be taking the derivative. Some of them you're going to be integrating. Some of them, like these problems, you are going to be finding the inverse. Finding the inverse means that you are switching x and y, and then you are solving for y again. So what we have here in this first problem is y equals the cube root of x. So if we switch x and y, then we would have x equals the cube root of y. And then to solve for y, we would need to cube both sides. So these cancel, and we have y equals x cubed. And that's our final answer. That would be the inverse. That's all you have to do for those kinds of problems. So let's look at this one, the next one. We're still finding the inverse, okay? So we have y equals the square root of x minus 1. Well, the first thing to do is switch. So we have x equals the square root of y minus 1. Well, if we're trying to get y alone, we have to get it out from under that square root. To undo a square root, we need to square. So we have x squared equals y minus 1. Y's almost alone, we just need to add 1. So y is equal to x squared plus 1. So this is our inverse. And that's it. We have one more here. This one is y equal to x plus 2 over 3. So we need to switch x equals y plus 2 over 3. So first thing to do is get rid of the 3 in the denominator, so we multiply both sides. These cancel, and we have 3x equals y plus 2, and then we just have to subtract that 2. So y equals 3x minus 2, and that's your inverse. And you're done. So that problem should be pretty straightforward.